little fog out there this morning. This is in Somerset. You see it far down the road from our camera, but nonetheless, it's patchy in nature. Many of you will not find any fog. The most prone locations to see it this morning are down across southern and southeast Kentucky, deeper in some of those valleys, all right? We are dealing with a pretty pleasant morning, though, in terms of temperatures and humidity. We dropped all the way to the low 60s and even a few upper 50s. Still at 59 in Hazard. It was 59 in Williamsburg earlier. It's in the low 60s now that we've obviously had some sunshine over the last hour and a half. High pressure is slowly zipping east. You see this little bit of cloud cover and a few spotty showers in Missouri and Illinois. That little disturbance inches closer toward Kentucky as we head toward late afternoon and into the evening. And I think it does kick off a spotty shower or two. Not everybody sees those, unfortunately. Then the clouds start breaking, should be mostly clear tonight. Tomorrow, though, that disturbance just keeps crossing the state very slowly, and that likely leads to some scattered clouds and another repeated chance for a spotty shower. Here comes, though, some hotter air, though, building east as we go into next week. You see how some of that red and orange starts to increase across us, kind of ahead of our cold front. But the hottest air, we're looking at temperatures at about 2,000 feet or so above the surface. Really hot back here. Thankfully, we're not that hot, but we are going to be getting increasingly hotter into the upcoming weekend and the kickoff next week. Today, already getting warmer, mid and upper 80s, partly sunny, stray shower popping up. That shower chance, if there's anything out there into the early evening, it dissipates overnight and mainly clear. We're in the mid and upper 60s. So tomorrow morning, not as cool as this morning. Next 7, we start stepping it up a few degrees. Tomorrow, upper 80s, low 90s. Saturday, low 90s. Sunday, low and mid 90s, and that takes us into Monday and Tuesday, even Wednesday. Now, Wednesday, there is a chance for showers and storms, but how quickly those develop will obviously impact how hot we're able to get. I think it's really more into the late afternoon and the evening with those storms on the front on Wednesday, meaning that we should still be able to get in the low and mid 90s. Not good. When it gets that hot, things start really drying out quick, and already things are dry.